Hi everyone, myself Sukumar Singh and I am going to explain my task 5.1c for full stack development secure front-end applications. In this task, I have built a post creation page for dev@deakin using React.js and Firebase. The goal was to allow users to create and post their question and article. So let's go through how the code works. So first of all, we have the app.js. I have set my routes using React Router DOM so the users can move between post pages like post page and the find page or the home page. The thing is, we in this task I only have to include my post page, not the home page, because the home page is a version of my 8.1d. So the post page is where user can choose what type of post they want to make. In the post page.js, I am using the useState hook to keep track of which post type is selected, either question or article. When the user switches, the interface dynamically changes using conditional rendering. So if the user picks question, it loads the question form component, and if the user pick article, it loads the article form component. The post type selector.js is our next code. This file handles the radio buttons that let the user toggle between two post type. It passes the selected value back to the post page component through props. Now in question form.js, I have built a form where users can enter details like question, title, description and tags. When they submit the form, it uses Firebase add_doc function to store the data in a Firestore collection called post. The article form.js also works the similar way, but here we can also add an image. When they submit the form, it uses Firebase add_doc function to store the data in the Firebase collection called post. Then we have the Firebase.js that contains my Firebase configuration and initialization. This connects the project to my Firestore database securely. Overall, this task demonstrates the use of React components, Firebase integration, state management and conditional rendering, all essential concepts for a real-world full stack web app. I'd also like to mention that task 8.1d is just an extension of the same project. It's built on this base by adding search and filter functionality. So I have explained that part in the another video in 8.1d. Thanks for my tasks 5.1c. Thank you.